Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we're finally back. It's been a couple of months. Things have been a little hectic, and I was a little, to be honest, burnt out a little bit. We'd been doing this for, we just passed our 2-year anniversary, and just needed a break. So, I'm done with the break. We've got a bunch of announcements to do, and we're going to do an unboxing, and let me show you what we're doing for the unboxing. We're doing a Mickey loot box, and so I've got some buildup of boxes because we haven't recorded in a long time. So this one's been around here for a while, and I might mess some of this up because I kept switching what I was ordering from them. So I used to get B tickets, and then I switched to C ticket, and then I think I got a D ticket. So it's going to be a surprise to both of us what these are. So I think this is the oldest one that I have, and we're going to start there, and that's all coming up right now. Alright, so a couple quick housekeeping items before I crack into this. I know I've said this before, but I'll just bring it up again. If you are not a part of our Facebook group, please go check it out. It's spelled just like our channel name, Disney Dynamicks. Nice group of people, no drama, very simple. It's a good group. If you're sick of all the drama that's all over Facebook, jump in our group, because it's not like that. You can also follow us on Instagram, right there. And then, so, bigger announcements. We're going to get this channel fired back up again and rolling because we've got a lot of big stuff coming up. So the first thing that's coming up is a cruise in October. Now, this is not a Disney cruise, but I don't care because I've never been on a cruise before, so we are going to do some videos on it, and not really necessarily normal videos, but we're going to do some lives, hopefully from the ship. I have never been on one before. I don't know how the Wi-Fi is going to be, but I'm really hoping to show you the ship that we're on because of how inexpensive it is for what you get. The shipping company is MSC and the ship is Miravilia. Mostly they've been in the Mediterranean, and now the last couple of years they've started coming to the US. Much less expensive than most of the other ships, and they are incredible looking on the inside. This particular ship has staircases that are filled with Swarovski crystals, which is pretty darn bougie, so that's pretty cool. So that's coming up in October, so keep an eye out for that. And then in January, we will be back in Walt Disney World, and we have a very large group of us. It'll be a lot of fun. We will get back to our in-park lives, and we will also do some Disney After Darks, obviously, from there. And we might do some Disney After Darks here before we go, too, just to kind of get back in the flow of things. So if you're not subscribed, please consider it. We've got a lot of cool stuff coming up. And please hit the like button. I can't talk today. Or any day. The last thing that we have coming up is the biggest. So we've always been wanting to move to the Magic. We've always wanted to get to Orlando so that we can do more in-park stuff and lives, and because it's our happy place. So we were thinking for a long time that was going to be about 2 or 3 years from now. Some things have changed, and we are officially moving to Orlando in 10 months. So we're really excited. We've actually started to, it's kind of silly, but we've started packing a little bit. If you've seen any of our Lego videos, we've got some huge Legos that we've done, Lego sets, and we've already disassembled, and we do it by using the directions from back of the books to the front and rebagging them in the numbers so that when we get there we can put them all back together easily. But we already disassembled the Colosseum and Hogwarts Castle. So just kind of, as we do that on the weekend, you know, that's kind of little bit by little bit, because we've got a lot to do. Plus we have a lot to do on the house before we go to get the most out of it, so we need some of this stuff out of our way anyway. So, what's that?
The background shot.
Oh, yeah, you might have been able to tell by the backgrounds. All the gym shores are gone. Mary has been cleaning them and packing them. We saved all the boxes and styrofoam for all of them, so they're getting neatly packed away. So now we have more bigger things up here so that it's easier to pack when it is time to go. But we've got to do some sheetrock work and stuff, so we're going to have a lot of things that we're moving around. Cool. Caught up? All right. I know that was a lot, but here we go. All right. So I think that this is a C-Ticket monthly box. I don't know if you've been keeping up with Matt from Mickey Loot, but he was just in Paris getting merch and all kinds of stuff. I can't do this. So a lot of people are getting those boxes. I did not get one of those, just because we were kind of in our hiatus at the time. But we got a lot of cool stuff coming up. I should have pre-cut this one. He really taped it well. Okay, we're in. You ready? It's been so long since I've done this. I hope I do it right. Okay. Here we go. Is it good? Okay. First things first, we've got a cute postcard of Pluto and random dog. It looks like a sketch because it's got like a number 8 written on the side of it. Let's see. Chris, the items in this box complete an item you received in your last box. We hope you enjoy them. So I don't know, I might be opening these out of order. Maybe this isn't the one I should be opening. But we're gonna roll with it. So maybe if I get something in here and I'm like, what the heck is that? I'll find out in the next box, and so will you. Alright, so I'll throw this up on in the photo box. Boop. If I remember how, in the back. Boop. There we go. Okay. Spoiler sheet. We will wait to find out what this box really is. Got the tissue paper, Mickey Loot sticker. Ooh, that's a lot of blue confetti in there. It sure would be a shame if somebody were to... Oh, it didn't pop as good, but it... Oh yeah, it's everywhere. Alright. This... This is definitely from the parks. It's got that weird... The stuff works really good. I don't know who invented it, but they're a genius. I don't know why I'm opening it. I forgot how to do this. I think I got some magic in me. It still works. What do you know about that? Oh, look at so it's got pictures on it. There's a picture of Walt in front of the castle, and then it says Vision, the kind of fun to do the impossible. It's kind of fun to do the impossible, Walt Disney. And then the same picture on the other side. But if you look really close, and I don't know if this is going to show up in the photo box or not, it's blue on the inside. There are tiny little Mickey heads that are just, like the whole cup is kind of flat white, and then the Mickey heads are kind of a gloss white, but it's really cool. I'll throw that in the photo box on the turntable. Boop. Very nice. I really like the tiny little Mickeys on there. I hope that shows up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is all covered in that glitter. So... Okay. So a while back, Mickey Loot sent me one of the buntings that the, you know, the kind of bunting of flags that go around the balconies on Main Street, USA. That's not what this is. This is a flag, but I can tell by the way that it's made. See how the stars are stitched? I want to look at the spoiler sheet before I go any further, because if this is what... If this is what I think it might be, I'm going to lose my mind. And Amy, you are not going to get this if it's what I think it is. You can still have the bunting, but...
Retired Disney 38 star flag. Set of...
She was reading it and stopped reading it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set this down. Cause this... Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I don't know if you guys know your Disney history. I'm sure a lot of you do. These are the flags that fly above the buildings on Main Street. So they have flagpoles up there. And why are they not 50-star flags? They do that because they can't take them down at night. So according to, you know, the rules of flags, if it's a normal 50-star flag, you've got to take them down, which the one on the pole right in the middle, when you first walk in, that one is right, and they take that one down every night, and it's lit up all night. They make these so that they look like the American flag up there, but they don't have to have the responsibility of removing them every night. So these are both retired flags. These both flew above buildings on Main Street. I'm a little overwhelmed. Holy cow. Alright. I'm not going to open these up right now. And when we move to Florida, you could bet your ass these are going on our house. Sorry. Probably inside though, because I don't want to ruin them. Oh my gosh. I'm like shaking. Okay. Thank you, Matt and Tracy. That's that's so cool. Whew, a little warm. All right, let's see what we got. This is the last thing in here. Okay, so this is. Oh my gosh, this is such a good box. I got a Walt coffee mug, 2 flags from Main Street, and now this pin is the Windows of Main Street USA area limited edition, and it opens up. So this is Palm Parlor. Oh, and Madame Leota's inside. Okay, I'm not going to hold it up because you won't be able to see it, but I'm going to take a picture in the photo box of it closed, boop, and then one of it open, boop, and this is a 2021 pin. It's even got a little magnet to keep it closed. And it's like translucent, you can see through the door, or the window, obviously. Holy cow. This is such a good box. Okay, so spoiler sheet. Thank you, Vanna. Oh, this is okay. So this is a C-ticket. Okay. Retired Disney 38 star flag set of $230 for the 2 of them. That is so cool. The trading pin, $19.99. Walt Disney Vision mug, $14.99, and they're all marked as park items. Okay. It's good to be back. Man, I've missed this. Okay. I'm speechless. Again, you know, I don't know, do what you want. Like, I'm just kind of lost. If you want to check out our last video, click the button right here. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the DD right here. And glad to see you guys again. Throw some comments in. We've missed you guys, and hope you're having a great day.